Top 5 Best Lip Balms for Chapped Lips. 1. Keeffe's Unscented Lip Repair Lip Balm for Dry, Cracked Lips, Stick, Pack of 6. All-day moisture in one use. Keeffe's Lip Repair heals, relieves, and repairs extremely dry, cracked lips. Guaranteed relief for your money back. Keeffe's Lip Repair is hard-working skincare that provides instant relief to extremely dry, cracked lips, heals, relieves and repairs extremely dry, cracked lips, creates a multi-layer flexible barrier that moves with your lips to help keep dry, cracked lips protected, absorbs quickly to provide soft, smooth lips. 2. Maybelline New York Baby Lips Crystal Lip Balm, Twinkling Taupe, 0.15. Maybelline New York Baby Lips Crystal Lip Balm gives lips just the right amount of tint, shimmer and moisture up to 8 hours. Visibly renews lips in 1 week. 88% had smoother lips. 82% had less dry lips. 70% had suppler lips. 83% had better-looking lips. It's clinical care for baby soft lips based on panelists' self-evaluation after 1 week. I have chronically dry lips and this stuff is one of the few products that actually feels really good on my lips. It doesn't feel heavy like a lipstick or gooey like a gloss or thick like a regular balm. It's like a lightweight, tinted, glossy balm. It glides on easily and seems to keep my lips from drying out. I love it. 3. Lipster Medicated Lip Balm. That hydrocortisone by itself has a bitter taste. Unfortunately, there is no way to mask that even with the natural ingredients we use. To avoid the bitter taste, please refrain from licking your lips when using this lip balm, which will also help your lips heal faster. 3 packs and 6 packs available. Lipster Medicated Lip Balm was created by 2 pharmacists who wanted a natural, vegan solution for lips suffering from drug or cosmetic. Similar lip products use petrolatum or petroleum byproducts, which are a good barrier, but lack the ability to penetrate and moisturize the skin. Lipster is formulated with natural oils and butters that moisturize the skin from the inside out. 4. Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Lip Balm. Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula products contain ethically and sustainably sourced coconut oil and Tahitian monoi oil, infused with deer flower petals. This decadently creamy lip balm keeps lips hydrated all day long and protects against chapping, cracking, and environmental damage from the sun or wind. Ultra moisturizing, long-lasting moisture, 0.15 ounce, vitamin E, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no gluten, no dyes. 5. Eco Lips Mongo Kiss Mongongo Oil Lip Balm. The best lip balm for the world. Looking for an effective lip balm that will moisturize and protect your lips while minimizing your impact on the environment? You've come to the right place. Handcrafted from 100% organic and fair trade certified ingredients in our own certified facility located in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Manufacturing is 100% offset with renewable energy credits. Our Mongo Kiss lip balm line supports a group of women in Zambia. Our organic flavors include acai berry, banana, blood orange, berry flavors to soothe and moisturize dry, cracked and chapped lips. A natural humectant, attracts and retains moisture. Mongo Kiss contains essential fatty acids necessary for your skin to create a flexible barrier that can prevent and repair skin damage. Click links in this video description for price and more details. Thanks for watching.